Hello student, how are you? Once again children, I'm going to continue the same chapter which we were discussing yesterday. And children, actually it's not a chapter, it is a diary written by a very famous writer, and that is Ruskin Bond. Okay, I told you children, even I love to read Ruskin Bond, and I will be showing, I've got one book, and children, you can see here the picture of Ruskin Bond. How chubby, how nicely smiling, such intelligent look. Okay, such a affectionate and a nice smile, soothing, peaceful. He lives in the nature. You know, children, where Ruskin Bond lives, he lives in Missouri, and he loves nature. Okay, so children, in this story, actually this is not a chapter, it is this is a diary written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, and yesterday I told you one more diary, it became very famous, and it was a diary of a young girl, and I told you she has named her diary Kitty, isn't it? So Ruskin Bond, children, he loves nature, and definitely he used to write a lot of story. His short stories are very famous. And student, in this chapter, actually it is not a chapter, it is a diary written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, and he was waiting eagerly for the rainfall. But children, in Missouri, one thing was there, that a heavy mist used to cover whole area when that rainfall used to fall, when heavy rainfall used to fall. And children, everything used to look so lifeless, like bird, it never used to chirp. Okay, nobody used to come from their house, and everything was covered mist. So he was not able to see, children, properly, that what is happening. He just loved nature like anything. Okay, and children, I told you yesterday, nature nurture us, isn't it? And nature always wear the colors of the spirit. Okay, so children, we have to enjoy nature, beauty of nature. It doesn't mean that we should go to Kullu, Manali, Shimla or Switzerland. We can enjoy the beauty of nature here also. Okay, now let's read and let's see, children. I told you that early in this chapter, what happened when the before the rainfall, a mist is there, and how he feels. He did not like that mist because everything is covered, he cannot see anything, he is so very sad. Okay, and that was June 24th. Then he described on June 24 brought early monsoon. Okay, early monsoon was there on June 24, and due to monsoon and due to that mist, the early birds, student, it stopped chirping. It did not start singing because everything falling, rainfall falling, and covered with mist. Nobody was able to see tree, any beauty of nature, snow-clad mountains, nothing could anybody could see, and it was all the atmosphere was looking very dull. So children, here Ruskin Bond, let's see what he had written in his diary. I will tell you in short that what he had written in his diary. Now children, I told you that he had written on June 24, he had written the first day of monsoon mist, and he is telling that when the mist was there all around him, it was slowly, the mist comes climbing up the hill, and children, slowly from the ground it was rising and covering the hills areas also. Perhaps that what make the mist so melancholy. Children, melancholy, I told you melancholy means sad, and children, mist was looking very sad because when the mist was covering the whole area, children, the birds were not chirping, the animals, beautiful animals like rabbits, squirrel, they were not able to, he was not able to see them. Okay, so everything was looking, no human being was there, everything was looking very dull, the whole atmosphere. And children, I think I told you that what is the color of the mist. The color of the mist is gray, which represent gloominess. Gloominess means sadness. In literature, the role of color is also very important. Like what to say, children? Gray represent gloom, red rose represent romance and all that, love, isn't it? Yellow rose means that somebody should rise. Greenery means flourishing. So many concept literature have if we talk about color. So here mist is representing gray color. Gray actually represent the gloominess. So uh, the tree were ringing with bird song earlier, but now everything has stopped. And now the forest is deathly still as though it were midnight. All the forest there was a silence in the forest. Through the mist, Biju is calling to his sister. I can hear him running about on the hillside, but I cannot see him. So he told that Biju is calling his sister, and he is telling that he is calling him, but he is not able to hear. June 25. Now what happened at June 25? I will just tell you very quickly everything, because we are doing the revision. Some genuine early monsoon rain, warm and humid, and not that cold high altitude stuff we have been having all year. The plants seem to know it too, and the first cobra lily rears its head from the fern as I walk up to the bank and the post office. Children, June 25, what happened? Some genuine early monsoon rain. Children, it was a early monsoon rain, warm and humid. Children, though it rained, but then again it was warm and humid in the atmosphere, and not that cold high altitude stuff we have been having all year. Now he is telling it was not the cold high altitude stuff we have been having all year. The plant seems to know it too, and the first cobra lily rears its head from the ferns as I walk up to the bank and post office. Children, fern, beautiful plant, children, with small leaf is known as fern, and it's quite green, lush green of color. So the plants seem to know it too, and the first cobra lily rear means raises its head from the ferns as I walk up to the bank and post office. So first cobra lily, it raises its head from the fern. That means, children, fern, you can see it is written in the class, a flowerless plant with feathery green leaves. Small green leaves are there, rush green color. So children, that was a fern. And from among the fern, first cobra lily, flowers are lily, beautiful lily were peeping among the ferns. And when the writer was walking up to the bank and post office, the mist affords a certain privacy. Children, afford means gives. Children, it is a mist. It is everything was so covered with the coming of the mist. Nobody was looking from one side to another. So it is, see the nice word of English he has used. So it gave him the feeling of privacy. Privacy means all aloof. Okay. So children, since mist was there, and he was not what to say, he was covered by mist. He was not able to see, neither the other people can see him. So he was thinking that day, he was feeling that a feeling of privacy was there. A schoolboy asked me to describe the hill station and valley in one sentence, and all I could say was a paradise that might have been. Paradise is a heaven, children. So children, one of the schoolboys asked him that, can you describe this beautiful nature? And he told, yes, of course. And what did he reply? He told, a paradise that might have been. This beautiful nature, the beautiful surrounding, we can call this as a paradise. Paradise means heaven. Now children, June 27. The rain have heralded. Heralded means announced the arrival of some seasonal visitors, a report and several thousand leeches. Children, the rain have herald announced the arrival of some seasonal visitor, a leopard, and several thousand leeches. Yesterday afternoon, the leopard lifted a dog from near the servant quarters below the school. In the evening, it attacked one of Biju's cows, but fled at the approach of Biju's mother, who came screaming imprecations. Imprecations means curses. Now, children, yesterday he is telling that children in the nature they were good thing also, and some of the things were there which was not supposed to be approved. Like children, he is talking about one of the tiger, okay, sorry, leopard. He lifted one of the dog from near the servant quarter below the school. In the evening, it attacked one of Biju's cows but fled at the approach of Biju's mother. And children, he was attacking Biju's cows, but then his mother came shouting and he left that thing, who came screaming imprecations. Imprecation that mother started, that Biju's mother, she started doing what? She started cursing that animal for attacking that cow. As for the leeches, I shall soon get used to a little bloodletting every day. Bloodletting means, children, there were lot of leeches who suck blood of human beings. Sometimes they suck blood to cows. Okay. Children, sometimes children leeches are used, they are considered to be very friendly. Sometimes they suck some blood from the patient's body also. Other new arrivals are the scarlet minivets. Now children, what else he was seeing in the nature? Beautiful bright red bird like bouquet. So one of the bird was there, and that bird was beautiful. It was a bright red bird like a cuckoo. And what was the name of the bird? Scarlet minivet. So that was the name of the bird. He saw, he was aware of the leopard, cows were there, leeches were there. Now this beautiful bird is mentioned. So other new arrivals are the scarlet minivets. The females are yellow. Now that birds, those which are of they are of yellow color, the female birds, fitting silently among the leaves like brilliant jewels. And children, they are sitting on the tree, on the leaves, as if, children, that yellow colored beautiful bird, they are shining as if they are the golden jewels of the tree. No matters how leafy the tree, these brightly colored birds cannot conceal themselves. Children, conceal means to hide. So this yellow color bird, how heavy, how dense was the tree, but people can see those birds when they were sitting, and it were looking as if the tree was decorated with yellow gold, and everybody can look at those birds. Though they wanted to do what? They wanted to conceal themselves, but they were easily seen. Although by remaining absolutely silent, they sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. Contrive means managed. Along came a pair of drongos, unnecessary aggressive, chasing the minivets away. Children, drongo again is a song word with a stout bill. They are having a bill, fat, what to say, this part of the bird. It is fat, and they were known as drongo. They started driving this small beautiful scarlet minivet bird, okay, and they sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. Contrive means manage. Alone came a pair of dragons, unnecessarily aggressive, and these birds, this dragon, they were unnecessarily aggressive. That means children, they used to fight unnecessarily without any reason, chasing the minivets away. And finally, children, after fighting, they chase the bird away. A few creeper moves rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree, snapping up insect all the way. Now that the rain are here, there is no dirt for food for the insectivorous birds. Dirt is shortage, children. A tree creeper moves rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree, snapping up insect all the way. Now that the rains are here, there is no dearth of food for the insectivorous birds. Now children, let's me discuss the question answer with you. Only the important points, and children, the rest of the question answer you will be writing by yourself. Why is the author not able to see Biju? Children, the author was not able to see Biju because a mist was there. A strong mist was surrounding and concealing everything in the hill. What are the two ways in which the hill appears to change when the mist comes up? First of all, children, it covers all the hill, okay, and everything appears to be silence. Everything is silence. Well, children, so we have read his diary till June 27. Now, children, the second part of the comprehension I am going to read. And you just try to understand. Now, children, August 2. Now, the date is August 2. All night, the rain has been drumming on the corrugated tin roof. Corrugated means, children, grooved. Corrugated means grooved. That means, children, all night there was a groove. There were a lot of things that kept on the tin shade or maybe on the ceiling. On all night the rain has been drumming. Drumming means it was falling in such a manner as if somebody was drumming. Okay, on the corrugated tin roof. There has been no storm, no thunder, just the steady street of a tropical downpour. No storm was there, nothing was there. Steady means slow but continuous rainfall was there. Small, slow but continuous tropical downpour. Downpour means rainfall. It helps me to lie awake. At the same time, it doesn't keep me from sleeping. Our children, writer, that means Ruskin Bond, also enjoying the beautiful sound coming from the rain as if somebody was drumming it. Okay, so even he was lying awake, enjoying the beautiful music of the rainfall. It is good sound to read by the rain outside, the quiet within, and although tin roofs are given to springing, unaccountable leaks, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. It is a good sound to read by the rain outside, the quiet within, and although tin roofs are given to springing, unaccountable leaks, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. It is a good sound to read by the rain outside, the quiet. Now, children, the sound is very good. Okay, the rain is outside and he was there quiet within. Although tin roofs are given to springing, unaccountable leaks, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. Children, sometimes there was a leakage from the tin roof, the beautiful music as if somebody was drumming was coming. At the same time, children, few raindrops were falling. Okay, the tin shade was not able to stop them. So he is telling that in a way he was in touch with the rain, though he was inside the house, but in a way he was in touch with the rain. Now, children, August 3. Now, children, what happened at August 3? Now, let's see what he had written. The rain stops. Okay. Now, children, the falling of the rain is not there. The clouds begin to break up. The sun strikes the hill on my left. Beautiful sight. The cloud began to break up. The sun strikes the hill on my left. Now, children, no rainfall. And a woman is chopping up sticks. I hear the tinkle of cowbell. Now, children, a woman is there. She is chopping up some stick. And children, tinkling. There was a bell in the here tied in the neck of the cow, and which the writer can hear when it was tinkling. In the oak tree, a crow shakes the raindrops from his feather and caws disconsolately. Disconsolately means, children, please write it. The disconsolately means unhappily. Okay. Disconsolately. It means So student, in the oak tree, a crow shakes the raindrops from his feather and caws disconsolately. Disconsolately means unhappily. He is cawing unhappily. Water drips from a leaking drain pipe. And children, drip means fall. Water is dripping from a leaking drain pipe. As suddenly clean and pure, the song of the whistling thrush emerges like a dark, sweet secret from the depths of the ravine. Ravine is valley. And children, what he here he feels water falls from a leaking drain pipe. As suddenly clean and pure, and the song of the whistling thrush emerges like a dark, sweet secret from the depth of the ravine. Ravine is a valley. Now we will come into August 12. Endless rain. Again rainfall. And a permanent mist. Permanent mist, this time the children, the mist has covered the whole area with for so many long hours. We haven't seen the sun for 8 or 9 days. For 8 and 9 days they were not able to see the sun. Everything damp and soggy. Soggy, children, is damp and muddy. Everything was damp, muddy, soggy. The weather was becoming worse day by day. For imagine, children, for 8 and 9 days they were not able to see the sun. Nowhere to go. They were not able to come also from there. Pace the room. Pace the room just means they were moving up here and there on the room. Look out of the window at a few bobbling umbrellas. Bobbling means moving up and down. Children, what happened when we open the umbrella? It moves up, then it comes down, then it moves up. Okay. So children, this was happening. The umbrella was moving up and down. This only he can see from his window. The hillside are hushed as late monsoon flowers begin to appear. Children, the hillside are lush and late monsoon flowers begin to appear. Wild balsam, dahlias, begonias and ground orchid. And children, the ground valley portion, so many flowers he could see. Like, children, please underline, these are the name of those flowers which can be seen. Like wild balsam, dahlias, begonias and ground orchids. Children, dahlias and all you can see in the at the time of winter. These flowers you can see in your school also, isn't it? Nice big flowers of various beautiful colors: pink, red, yellow, orange, white. August 31. Now children, August 31, it is the last day of August and the lush monsoon growth has reached its peak. Children, now the last day of August is here and lush monsoon growth has reached its peak. The seeds of the cobra lily are turning red. Now children, the cobra lily which were looking so fresh, they are drying and they are turning red, signify that the rains are coming to an end. It also proves that, it also shows that the rains are coming to an end. Now there would be hardly any, there will be rainfall but very rarely. In a few days the fawn will start turning yellow children. After few days the fawn will also start turning yellow. But right now they are still firm, green and upright. And children, now at this time you can see those beautiful fawn. They are still very green, lush green, beautiful green in color, is still firm, green and upright. Brown orchid, mauve lady slipper and the white butterfly orchids put on a fashion display on the grassy slope of Lanto. Okay, so children, here see the beautiful right. In a few days the fawn will start turning yellow, but right now they are still fawn, green and upright. Brown orchids, mauve lady slippers and the white butterfly orchids put on a fashion display on the grassy slopes of Lanto. Children, these are the beautiful flowers which you can see on the grassy slope. Wild dahlias, red, yellow and magenta. Children, wild dahlias are there. And what is the color of these dahlias? Red, yellow and magenta color, dark pink, rani pink. Rear their heads from the rocky crevices where they have taken hold. Okay, and children, they are coming from the rocky crevices. Crevices is a opening or cracks in the rocks or wall. Snakes and rodents flooded out of their holes and burrows, take shelter in roofs, attic, and go down. Our children, the water was for 9 days continuously. And children, he is telling so many animals like snakes were there, rodents were there. Since the water went inside their burrows, inside their holes, so they were coming out and they were taking shelter in roofs, attics, and go downs. Okay. A shrew, weak of eyesight, blunders about the rooms, much to the amusement of the children. Well, don't kill it, admonishes their grandmother. Chuchundras are lucky, they bring money. Children, something came which the children wanted to keep, weak of eyesight, blunders about the rooms, much to the amusement of the children. Blunders means it was moving around the room and the children were so much abused. Now the grandmother know that these children, they are so much excited that very soon they are going to harm that Chuchundar, they are going to kill that Chuchundar. So she started giving lecture that don't kill that Chuchundar, because children, she was I feel a very superstitious lady, and she is telling this Chuchundar they bring luck. October 3. We have gone straight from monsoon into winter rain, snow at higher altitude. Now children, now the month of October has come, and from straight away from monsoon they have gone to winter. Okay, and now children, there was a high altitude, that means a high portion. There was a snow clad mountain, snow was there, rainfall was there. After an evening hailstorm, the sky and the hills are suffused with a beautiful golden light. And children, after evening hailstorm, the sky and the hills were mixed with a beautiful golden light. It was appearing, it seems that these two things were meeting with each other with the beautiful golden light. Now children, January 26. We all know that January is the coldest season of the year. And now what is the condition of this winter rains in the hill? Children, winter rainfall is not a good rainfall. We feel a lot of cold in winter when there is a rainfall in winter. In the harsh silence of the house, when I am quite alone and my friend who was here has gone, it is very lonely, very quiet. Now children, the writer is inside his house. He had a friend, now that friend has left, and now he is feeling very lonely and very sad. Who was here has gone. It is very lonely, very quiet. Children, everywhere there was a quietness. Till now children, he was talking with his friend, and now he is very much quiet. Surrounded by the rhythm of rain and steady drift. Only one more thing he can hear, that he was surrounded by rain and the steady drift of water on leaves, on lemons, on roof, drumming on drenched dahlias and window panes. And what he was hearing that water was falling on leaves, on lemons. Lemons were there on the top of the roof, drumming. Okay, the rainfall was falling as if it was drumming on drenched dahlias and window panes of the window. While the mists hold the house in a dark cheers. As I paused near a window, the rain stopped and started again. Children, he went near the window to watch the beautiful sea, and he saw that sometimes the rain was pausing, that means it was stopping, and sometime again it was going to start. And the trees no longer green but grey menace me with their loneliness. Menace means certainly, children, he also felt that the trees were green, not green, they were something, they were looking dull, okay, something of the grayish color because of the heavy rainfall and in the winter. Children, this menace threatened me with their loneliness. Now, children, from January, now came March 23. Now is the time that the season of March has come. Okay, the snow, I think it is stopped. Late March, end of winter. Children, late March, that means it was end of winter now. The blackest cloud I have ever seen squatted over Mussoorie. Then it hailed marbles for half an hour, worth nothing like a hailstorm to clear the sky. Even as I write, I see a rainbow forming. Now, children, in the Mussoorie, children, though there was a cloud, heavy rainfall, okay, and but nothing like a hailstorm to clear the sky. Even as I write, I see a rainbow forming. And children, the most beautiful part was that when the winter ended, Mussoorie had black clouds over it, and it hailed for half an hour. And children, when it cleared the sky, when that was clear from the sky, a beautiful, beautiful rainbow was formed, which the writer was seeing, and then he is enjoying the beauty of the rainfall. So with this, students, I have completed my this lesson also. On question answer we can discuss in the online class. So I hope you will read the lesson and learn the new words which I have been telling you. So with this, I end my video here. Thank you and have a nice day once again. Bye bye. Read the lesson, children, and learn the difficult word meanings. Okay. Question answer we will be discussing in the online classes. So thank you and have a nice day ahead.